Alright, you haven't heard from me for a while. I got a new project. So I got this Eames chair from a family member, and it needs replacing some parts. All the shock mounts are busted on it. For example, there. This one. But in general, it's in good shape. The leather is really, really good shape. It was barely used. So the leather's in good shape, but it's kind of scratched up too. I went through a couple moves, and so the plan is to refinish the whole thing, the wood. Maybe just clean up and condition the leather, nothing too major. And I did source, this was missing, the ottoman is missing a foot. So I was able to source the new feet and the 4 shock mounts, which will get epoxied on. So I got some epoxy for that, some oiled linseed oil, some steel wool, so we should be in business. All right, the next step will be on to doing the actual work.